Tell me quickly what you got.
Amber, will you go let Lynette have
Looks, personality.
Amber, tell me what you got, hon. What'd you get? Lynette, what did you get? Stuff? Like what? Show a few things.
See, Mom?
No, you had your chance. Just wait.
An animal and chocolate and Skittles. You know,
What kind of animal is that?
it's a rabbit and a mouse, I think.
Combination?
And a duck. Look at its feet.
It's like a make-believe animal?
Yeah, look at its feet though. They look like little webbed feet.
And David,
No,
what
it's
did you
a
get,
mouse.
hon?
I got one.
Same kind of animal?
Yeah, I got a little more.
Oh, how neat.
Magic pen book.
Magic pen book.
I got $1.05.
Wow. Candy?
Get all.
All kinds of candy and stuff. You guys gotta have so much candy. Amber, what'd you get? Did you get one of those animals too? Oh, a duck. Well, I'm glad you all got an animal.
Make it squeak, honey. It squeaks. No.
Squeeze it in different places. Oh, that's cute. Did you get some candy or money or anything too?
No money.
No money,
Need
but
any money? Oh my, well we'll have to do something about that.
I got 2 books though.
2 books. Wow.
She got 2 books there.
But sit down.
Hey, she
good.
got money yesterday when we went
Good.
shopping.
Did Daddy give her money?
Every place she got something, there was change left over, and she'd say, Daddy,
Can I
please
keep the
have the change?
And being the wonderful father
I
that you
said-
are,
You beautiful darling daughter,
No.
yes, you may keep this change, for you never make your bed, you never clean your room, and you never help around the house. You only dirty it.
so you deserve money.
So you get all the money in the world.
Mother Charles,
Yes, my
You had the
darling
most-
daughter.
most delicious brunch for us.
Hey, well that was as good as Holiday Inn or
It was,
Sheraton Hotel.
oh yes,
or
and better than the Pleasanton Hotel.
Well, it was great.
It was very good. And
I got more lovely cards here.
did you?
And this one is from the Garrisons.
Uh-huh.
It says, love Lynette and David, Rolene and Rich. For
Yes.
you at Easter grandmother. And they gave me this box of Irish cream mints.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
Yes,
We're
that
gonna
was
all
nice of
dive
you,
in
Garrison.
and have-
You're all gonna get sick.
Oh my,
I should have
my
taken
dessert is
a
melting already.
yeah, dessert. I should have taken movies of the table before we devastated it.
Yes.
But you had what kind of salad was this here? That
Well, this
good.
was the new, I'll have to show you this. This is quite tricky. It's put out by Betty Crocker. It's called Suddenly Salad.
Suddenly salad. Oh, good.
And this one happens to be Italian pasta, and then there's classic pasta, but this one I made was creamy macaroni.
Uh-huh. Was there some fish in it or something?
No, it's not fish. Isn't that funny? Amber thought it was fish too. It was chicken.
Oh, chicken. Uh-huh.
Canned chicken.
Canned chicken. That's easy.
Chicken, and then the vegetables already are in it. And all you do is cook it in a little pouch. It comes in a pouch, and you put the pouch in boiling water and boil it. And then put it in a bowl and mix. They've got the stuff to mix together and everything.
You also had roast beef prepared by Philip Charles.
Well, prepared by Albertson Deli.
Oh, I
But
see.
purchased by
Purchased by Philip Charles. And also you had
And
ham,
we had ham,
and you had eggs,
scrambled eggs.
and you had
We
these
had
Rice
Jell-O.
Krispie things.
The kids
finger
love
Jell-O.
finger Jell-O, so we had that. And they like Rice Krispie squares, so we had that. Then we
And
had which was supposed to
ambrosia?
be ambrosia, but so many don't like coconut, so we just
you have it
made the
separate.
oranges and the coconut separate.
And you had cheese and
Cheese
crackers.
and crackers, and we had hot rolls.
Oh, yes.
And little individual coffee cakes.
Right, coffee, and sparkling
Oh,
grape juice
yes, well, yes.
that
I
you
have to
had
tell you
at
this.
Aunt Laverne's.
Welch's non-alcoholic sparkling red grape juice.
All right. It's
Wasn't
just
that
as
good?
good as having a champagne
It,
brunch,
just, it
wasn't
was better. Because our tongues are not
Oh,
like
that's true.
right
We
now.
can talk better. Well, thank you very much. And what is this dessert we're about to eat? My blinking light is going, which means I'm running
Oh, all
out
right.
of
It's
battery here.
you know, rainbow sherbet with some cake and Cool Whip.
Oh, wow, that'll be good. And then we have candies and stuff, too.
But
huh?
then, of course, you
Oh
know,
yeah.
there's nothing in the world as good as a hot cup of coffee.
That's true. Bring on the coffee. Thank you very much, Mom, for having us
Very
this
welcome.
Easter 1987.
1987, and we Charleses attended church
Oh, yeah.
in Danville.
And we,
And-
Garrisons, attended church in Livermore. Go ahead. At what church did you go to?
We were at the Community Presbyterian Church of Danville
Uh-huh.
with Ron Davis as the pastor.
And a lot of wealthy.
Who used to be in Fresno.
Phil says that a lot of wealthy people there, but I saw people that looked like us too.
Oh, well, that's
So
good.
we didn't feel out of place. And,
And they didn't make you stand up and introduce yourself. so that
No,
was
we
good.
had to hold hands
Oh, yes. And
across the aisle. Amber had to hold hand with some old man, and she's
wrinkled.
His
Dried up
hand was
hand.
all wrinkled and dried
Yeah.
up. But she was a good girl and did it. And we sang, He is Lord, He
Uh-huh.
is Lord.
Uh-huh.
And then at the end, they had the Hallelujah chorus from the Messiah. Well, the people in